Alright, Mr. Register, you asked me about a potential way to snip from NIDA. I'm going to show you a tool called Snipping Tool, and I'm going to need to bring the screen down. I think that may, yep, there we go. So I'm going to have the screen I'm wanting to snip from, like right here. Then I'm going to come down here and I'm going to just type in SNIP. Now once you bring this up, you can leave it up. I'm going to hit New, and I'm going to just snip it. And notice I've already got it. Let me bring this down where you can see it. I can come in here and say Edit, Copy. So if I were to instance now bring up Word, I can just paste this in the Word. If I want to do another one, I can just kind of move this out of the way and go to the next slide. Come here, say New. Do it again. I can once again say Edit, Copy, paste it. Come down here once again into NIDA, go to the next screen, come back to my snipping tool, say New, select it, and again say Edit, Copy, and again it's just that easy. And once you really get the hang of this goes really fast, and you can copy and paste as much as you want that way. Hope that helps. If not, if that's not what you were looking for, kind of let me know and I'll see if we can explore some other alternatives for you. Thanks.